Hi everyone, Brian Cox here. So I'd like to show you a modification that I did with my Constructor brush. And here I have my 16-inch Constructor brush and I'm using boar's hair bristle blades. Now, if you've used the boar's hair bristle blades, you know that these are notorious for really folding over and getting caught on the channel as you're inserting them. And that causes the bristles to fold over and get jammed up in the channel and the track, and really makes it difficult to insert them in its entirety. And this becomes even more frustrating when you're using a brush like a 20-inch Beast brush that I have, or even a 36-inch Excalibur. So I'd like to share with you a modification that will make all of this very easy and take all that away. So I'm going to show you some high-res pictures here, and what I did is that I took a flexible 120 grit sandpaper disc for a Dremel tool, and I sanded down the openings. I took the 90-degree angle off the track opening for the bristle blades, and this allows the bristle blades to slide in there. So it takes the bristle blade track from a straight wall and it moves it to an open mouth, and this allows the bristle blades to slide in there without the bristles getting caught and being laid over and jamming up the track in the installation process. So I have my 16-inch Constructor brush here deconstructed, and I'm going to show you exactly how long it takes to construct it. So I have my black monofilament nylon that I use on the top and bottom. That goes in there. I got my boar's hair. This is a tall bristle blade. Goes there. This is a short one, and this is a little stiff to put in there. I've done this a few times. So not a problem. White monofilament nylon, I like the short ones because it gives me a lot of scrubbing power when I really bear down on it. And I use this brush for maintenance cleans as well as first time cleans, if I can get away with it, which usually I can. There's a short boar's hair. There's the last boar's hair bristle blade. And then there's the black monofilament nylon bristle blade that I put in the bottom. Now, I also like to let you know that this modification also makes it very easy to install the end cap. So here's what I do to install the end cap, is that I preload the plastic piece, right, no tubing, and I also keep the cannons in here in case that I need to replace one of the top cannons that I actually use very often. In case I need to replace one of those on a job site, I have spare cannons already in the brush. That helps out. So I preload the plastic end cap and I kind of squeeze them together. And then I just line up the bristles with the tracks. Put that in there. Got to line up the rhino tubing with the cannon that I have. And there I have it. End cap's there. Put on the screws, install my tubing, and I'm ready to go. So hopefully this helps a lot of you that are having some issues with the Constructor brush, removing and installing the bristle blades. And this will, it'll open you up to being able to use the boar's hair, which is my favorite. Those are more notorious for being able to get caught on everything and go everywhere, versus the monofilament nylon and the plastic bristle blade channels. And that's just due to manufacturing and material type. So hopefully this helps a lot of you with your Constructor brush issues. Thanks, and let me know any comments or questions you have.